Hi everyone, this is my work cart amp flow. I use the Milwaukee Packout wall mount system and 3-drawer with foam inserts to breathe new life into her. There's the tool storage, drills, sawzall, carry-all. Got an inverter here. I can charge my M12 stuff. Sockets. My most common tools: installation driver, impact, hammer drill, sawzall, baby sawzall, laser, more hand tools, and choppers. Yeah, so I also have a vise, but it's not bolted right now. It's more storage and what the day's projects need. And away you go. Have a great one.